Here I have KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and then to silent mode. This is basically just Do Not Disturb mode. It's called silent mode on this device. You can switch it here. You can change its mode here. For example, you can set it to vibrate, you can mute, and there's also a drive mode, auto answer incoming calls, mute all sounds and vibration except alarm. And here at the auto silent mode, you can just add a schedule for this mode here, enter its name, and you can set its start time, end time, and you can change its mode here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.